Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Mahanif, and I would like to show you about the introduction about Cisco. Okay, so there is three contents in this video. The first content that is hostname that learn how to give our change the name or router or switch, and the second that is MOTD or message of the day that learn how to add a greeting message when turning on the device. And the third content that is the password content that learn how to add a password to the device. So let's get to know more about that. So the first thing that is hostname. Hostname. The first thing to do is open the Cisco Packet Tracer, but if you don't have the application of Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to download it at Net Academy website, Network Academy website. So the next step is if you already open the Cisco Packet Tracer, you can search the image that like this or the name that is the network device, and then the next step then is find and click the router with a serial number then is 1841 for configuration. After you click it and add it to the blank space or blank page until the router appears. And after the router appears, you can click it and then you can go to the CLI menu or command line interface, and then you can to get into the user mode, and then you have to change your mode to the privilege mode, and then after that to the configuration mode. How to get into the privilege mode? You can click enable REN, and then after that you can click enter, and then you can see the hashtag sign in the word return. And then after you get into the privilege mode, you can type conf t or configuration, and then you can click enter. After that, you have you already get into the configuration mode. Okay, so for the next step, you just can how to entering the configuration. After you entering the configuration mode, you can type hostname Hanif in this my presentation is Hanif, but it is up to you. You can use your name or whatever you want. Okay, so for the next is you can see the router name has changed to be Hanif or that you want the name. Okay, for the next tutorial, that is the MOTD or message of the day tutorial. So what is MOTD? MOTD is message of the day. It's a feature on Cisco that will be given to the user some greetings when logging into the device. Then the first step that you have to do is get into the configuration mode like before. You have to type enable and conf t, and then after that, after you get into the configuration mode, you can type banner space MOTD with underscore, and then you can type the sentence that you want. In this tutorial, I type welcome back master, and then don't forget to end with the underscore sign, and then you can click enter again. After you made your uh, after you made your MOTD, you can exit from the configuration mode to the user mode, and then as you can see in here, that the MOTD banner is appear. So if you want to see the MOTD, you have to exit from the uh, configuration mode and privilege mode. Okay, for the next is password tutorial. Cisco has a feature that can make a password in the router, so there is no one can want to do the bad things on your router or to block your routers. That's for security your router. So for the first is you have to get into the configuration mode again like before, and then you can type enable password, and then after that, after you click, after you type enable space password space the word that you want, and then you can click enter, and then you can type service space password encryption, and then you can click enter again, and then you can exit from the configuration mode to the privilege mode, and then exit again to the user mode, and then you have to click en or enable for getting to the privilege mode, and then as you can see in here, that is you have to type your password before you get into the privilege mode that you have met before. Okay, maybe that's all from me for the introduction about Cisco. I hope you can have a good lesson from this tutorial. Thanks for your attention and thanks for watching. And I'm sorry if I had a mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.